Good afternoon, kids. Good afternoon, children. Now
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. What are you going to teach me, ma'am?
Mathematics.
Alright, so in mathematics, what are the things are you going to teach me?
Plus, minus,
Alright,
multiply.
alright.
Okay.
Okay, teach us. Carry on, ma'am.
What is date today?
The date is 21.8.2022.
27.
I'm sorry, ma'am. It's 27. It's 27 August. 27 August. Alright, I will help you. Alright.
Dot.
Alright.
What is today? Classwork or homework?
It's classwork. It's classwork and it's a Saturday.
C dot W.
It's classwork.
Yes.
Alright, thank
Very
you.
good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now.
Six.
Very good.
So, are you going to teach me addition?
Yeah? No, no. Simple one plus counting one.
Okay. Alright, thank you.
You know na counting one?
Yes, yes. Thank you.
4 plus 4 equal.
It's 8.
Very good. 9 plus 9 equal. 9 plus 9 equal.
10.
No, 80.
Alright, thank you, ma'am. Yes, 9 plus 9 is 18.
80.
Alright.
10. Oh,
Spoken.
10 plus 10 equal
21?
20.
Alright, thank you, ma'am. I was wrong.
2
I had to know addition, right?
20.
Yes.
3 0 plus 3 equal.
33.
No, yes, 33. Very
Alright. Thank you, ma'am. I have done it. I have done a great
good. Now
job.
I am another one.
Alright. So we will see you in the next class, ma'am.
Now I am Englishman.
No, not
Who's
now.
this?
I'm not. No,
Who's
ma'am.
doing
I need
this?
a break, ma'am. I need a break.
Who's do this?
I need a break. Shall we discuss in the next class, ma'am?
No, now.
No. We will discuss in the next class.
Yes, yes, yes.
Alright. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. See you.